Bharat Mata ki Jaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Jaya Shri Ram, Jaya Sitaram Jain, and salutations to all divine powers, Jaya Nari Shakti. Hello, good day, and God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sarath C, and I welcome you all to the Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Today, in this advanced international seminar documentary, we take you through a fully detailed real investigation story of Operation Sindoor, an army attack operation, analyzed at the international standard of aviation, aerospace, defense science, and military technology research reporting. Operation Sindoor represents a landmark in Indian Army strategic and tactical operations, carried out with precision, courage, and coordination across multiple defense wings. This documentary focuses not only on the military ground realities but also integrates an advanced perspective of aviation and aerospace support, which plays a backbone role in modern warfare. In the global era, no military operation is independent of aviation. Aircraft surveillance, drones, helicopters, air bridge logistics, and communication satellites define the success of ground troops. Thus, this session takes a cross-disciplinary academic seminar approach, linking Army field tactics with aviation and aerospace sciences. The story of Operation Sindoor begins with the geopolitical triggers. Rising cross-border tensions, the threat of militant intrusions, and intelligence reports about armed enemy bases across the line of control created a situation demanding proactive defense action. Military High Command, after careful deliberation, sanctioned a well-planned operation that would neutralize threats, safeguard national interests, and demonstrate India's strategic deterrence power. This report explains the timeline of decisions, mission preparation, and risk assessment that shaped Operation Sindoor. In the seminar's investigative style, we review how intelligence gathering played a key role. Satellite imaging, UAV reconnaissance, and ground signal intercepts enabled Indian defense planners to map out enemy hideouts, weapons caches, and infiltration routes. The coordination between RAW, Army intelligence, Air Force surveillance squadrons, and naval technical inputs underlined the interdisciplinary defense approach. Such integration is aligned with the modern aerospace-centric warfare doctrine, where information dominance decides battlefield outcomes. The ground assault of Operation Sindoor was executed with elite commando units, mechanized infantry, and artillery fire support. However, the real backbone was aerospace logistics and aerial coverage. Helicopter units provided troop transport in high-risk zones, fighter jets maintained air dominance, and satellite communication ensured uninterrupted command connectivity. This is a practical demonstration of jointness in modern military operations, combining air, land, and space assets into one synchronized strategy. This documentary seminar also addresses the human side of Operation Sindoor. The bravery of soldiers, their psychological resilience, and the ultimate sacrifices made in the line of duty remind us that behind every mission there are real lives, real families, and a real sense of patriotism. At the same time, the technical staff, air traffic controllers, drone pilots, radar operators, aerospace engineers, and logistics officers formed the silent machinery of the mission's success. We should never forget these unsung heroes whose dedication ensures operational smoothness. From an international aviation and aerospace research perspective, Operation Sindoor reflects lessons in airspace management under combat stress. Handling multiple unmanned and manned aerial vehicles simultaneously, securing communication from cyber threats, and ensuring precision targeting under hostile electronic warfare are the new age challenges of military aviation. This seminar highlights these aspects in detail, drawing connections to global defense practices from NATO, USAF, and other world powers. Another dimension is defense logistics and rail-air integration. Modern Indian defense operations rely heavily on railway corridors and airlifts to move troops, weapons, and humanitarian supplies. Operation Sindoor demonstrated how railway systems, aircraft fleets, and satellite navigation are combined in real time to keep the operation sustainable. This unique combination underlines India's growth in multimodal defense readiness. We also analyzed the media, psychological warfare, and diplomatic after-effects of Operation Sindoor. International reactions, the role of the United Nations, and how India projected its mission as a defensive countermeasure are critical aspects in understanding the global aerospace defense diplomacy environment. This ensures that India's position as a responsible military power is reinforced on the world stage. Finally, in conclusion, Operation Sindoor is not just a military mission. It is a living seminar of modern integrated warfare, where aviation, aerospace, defense engineering, and army valor converge. It teaches us that the future of national defense lies in combining human courage with technological superiority. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a detailed international seminar-style documentary investigation on Operation Sindoor presented by your host, Sarath Aviation and Rail Knowledge Channel. We hope this session not only enlightened you about the real story of the operation but also inspired you with the futuristic vision of defense aviation and aerospace sciences. Right finger thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and keep supporting the channel. More advanced level aviation and defense documentaries are coming soon. Stay tuned for knowledge, stay tuned for inspiration.